Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use SHAREit to transfer files from your Android phone to your iPhone phone, okay, or to any iPhone phone that you may have, okay. I'm using currently the SHAREit app inside of the Android version, okay. You can download this easily from the Play Store. Just type in SHAREit and you're going to be able to download it, okay. Now after you're welcome to this app and here to the main menu, I want you to go to the top button with a plus icon, okay, next to the SHAREit name. Okay, just click on the plus icon here. And I want you to click on Connect to iOS, okay? And that's basically going to take you to this QR code. And with this QR code, you should grab the iOS phone. You should scan this code, okay? And that's going to be able to easily transfer files from here, okay? So it's simple as that, guys. Thank you so much.